Imagine you just received 100,000 naira. Maybe it's your salary bonus. Maybe you saved it over 3 months. Maybe someone paid you back a debt you had already forgotten about. And now it is sitting in your GT Bank account, doing absolutely nothing. You know you should save it. You've heard people talk about PiggyVest. You've seen Cowrywise ads. But you don't know which one is actually worth your money. And you are scared of making the wrong choice. Because let's be honest, in Nigeria, losing 100,000 naira is not a small thing. So today, we are going to settle this. PiggyVest or Cowrywise? Where should your 100,000 naira actually go in 2026? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do. Let me tell you about Amaka. Amaka is 27 years old. She works in Lagos. She earns around 180,000 naira a month. And for the first time in her life, she actually has 100,000 naira saved up. She is proud of herself, but she is also nervous because she knows that if she leaves that money in her regular bank account, it will slowly disappear. Small purchases here, airtime there. Let me just manage this small thing. And before she knows it, the money is gone. So she decides to try one of these savings apps. She opens her phone and searches PiggyVest versus Cowrywise. And what she finds confuses her. Both apps look great. Both promise good interest rates. Both seem trustworthy. So how does she choose? That is exactly what we are going to help her figure out. And in the process, you will figure out what is right for you too. Let's start with PiggyVest. PiggyVest was launched in 2016. And it is one of the oldest savings apps in Nigeria. Millions of people use it, and the reason it became so popular is simple. It forces you to save. When Amaka signs up for PiggyVest, she can choose to lock her money away. She sets a date, say December 31st, and from that moment, she cannot touch that money until that date arrives. Not even if she wants to. Not even if there is a family emergency. Well, there is a way to break it early. But PiggyVest charges a 5% penalty fee for doing so. That penalty is actually a feature, not a problem, because it stops Amaka from lying to herself. We all know that person who says, "I will not touch this money," and then 3 weeks later, the money is gone. PiggyVest says, "No, we are holding this for you." On PiggyVest's regular savings, Amaka earns around 10% to 12% interest per year. So if she locks 100,000 naira for 1 year, she walks away with roughly 110,000 naira to 112,000 naira. That is not life-changing, but it is better than zero, and it is better than watching the money disappear. But here is what makes PiggyVest interesting beyond just saving. PiggyVest also has a feature called Investify. This is where Amaka can put her money into actual investment opportunities. Agriculture, real estate, and other asset-backed deals, with returns that can go from 15% all the way up to 25% per year. Imagine Amaka puts her 100,000 naira into an agriculture investment on PiggyVest at 20% for 6 months. After 6 months, this may grow to around 110,000 naira. But returns are not guaranteed. Now, that is starting to feel like real money working for her. But these Investify deals are not always available. They fill up fast. Sometimes Amaka will log in and see nothing available. She will have to wait. And there is another truth nobody tells you. These investments carry some risk. They are not government guaranteed. PiggyVest has a solid track record. But Amaka needs to understand she is not putting her money in a government bank vault. PiggyVest also has a feature called SafeLock, where you lock a specific amount at a fixed rate for a fixed period. It is very simple and very strict. Great for someone like Amaka who knows she needs discipline above everything else. Now let's look at Cowrywise. Cowrywise was launched in 2017 and it has a very different personality from PiggyVest. Why PiggyVest is built around lock your money so you don't touch it, Cowrywise is built around grow your money properly. Cowrywise is more of an investment platform with savings features, not the other way around. When Amaka opens Cowrywise, the first thing it does is ask her about her financial goals. Do you want to save for a car, for school fees, for an emergency fund, for retirement? Cowrywise wants to know the purpose of your money, and then it helps you build a plan around that purpose. On Cowrywise, Amaka can put her 100,000 naira into money market funds, low-risk funds that invest in government treasury bills and bonds. Interest rates have recently been around 17% to 22%, depending on market conditions. So if Amaka puts her 100,000 naira in a Cowrywise money market fund for a full year, she could walk away with around 117,000 naira to 122,000 naira. Already, the numbers are looking better than PiggyVest's basic savings. But here is something important to understand. The money Amaka puts into Cowrywise money market funds is not locked the same way PiggyVest locks it. She can withdraw it, not instantly. It usually takes 1 to 3 working days, but she can access it when she truly needs it. This sounds like a good thing, and it is for many people. But for someone like Amaka who struggles with discipline, this flexibility can actually become a problem. Because the moment she knows she can take the money out, the temptation starts. A new bag, a trip to Abuja. It's just a small withdrawal. And slowly, our 100,000 naira starts shrinking. This is something many users don't realize at first. Cowrywise also offers halal investment plans, which is great news for Muslim Nigerians who want their savings to comply with Islamic finance principles. PiggyVest does not offer this, and Cowrywise has a dollar savings feature, meaning Amaka can save in US dollars and protect herself from naira devaluation. For Nigerians watching the naira drop almost every year, this is a very serious advantage. Let's put this simply. If Amaka puts 100,000 naira in PiggyVest SafeLock for 1 year, this may grow to around 110,000 naira to 112,000 naira. If she puts the same 100,000 naira in PiggyVest Investify at 20%, this may grow to around 120,000 naira. But she has to wait for the right deal to appear. If she puts 100,000 naira in Cowrywise money market fund, this may grow to around 117,000 naira to 122,000 naira, with some ability to access the money if she truly needs it. So purely on interest rates, Cowrywise money market funds and PiggyVest Investify are neck and neck. PiggyVest basic savings loses that race. But the real question is never just about the numbers. It is about you. Here is where most people get it wrong. Mistake number 1. They put money in PiggyVest and then break the lock early. They pay the 5% penalty fee, lose their interest, and end up with less than they started with. Don't lock money you might need. Mistake number 2. They use Cowrywise but withdraw every time they feel pressure. The account becomes an ATM, not an investment. Mistake number 3. They choose an app based on their friends, not based on their habits. And mistake number 4. They wait too long while their 100,000 naira sits in their account earning zero interest, while inflation quietly eats it. So where should Amaka and where should you put your 100,000 naira in 2026? Here is the honest answer. Both PiggyVest and Cowrywise have their strengths. It depends on your habits and goals. If you struggle with discipline, choose PiggyVest SafeLock. If you are financially disciplined and want growth, choose Cowrywise money market funds. If you want both, split it. But remember, no savings app will save you from spending habits that destroy money faster than any interest rate can rebuild it. The app is just a tool. Your money habits are the real investments. Amaka made her choice. She split her 100,000 naira, half in PiggyVest, half in Cowrywise, and 6 months later, she had grown her savings by 11,000 naira without doing any extra work, just by choosing the right platform. But here is what she discovered next that completely changed how she thought about money in Nigeria. There is always a way most young Nigerians are actually losing money every single month, and they do not even know it is happening. It is not a scam. It is not a bad investment. It is something hiding in plain sight. That is what we are covering in the next video. Make sure you don't miss it.